Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. From a presentation standpoint, before I go any further, I do want to note this is actually a pretty tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there, or you bought right there, and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture things, I get it. The price has pulled back. But from the big picture, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type perspective going into it. And the reason I still call this bullish is the price does still have an opportunity to build that overall higher base. And that's where this green line that I talked about yesterday comes into play, right there at 90 cents. And as you can see right now, so far so good. The price is doing a good job of holding up above it. But let's say that, tomorrow the price actually flirts around with it some more, and then eventually the price starts to work its way back upward. So maybe the process takes a few days. Point being, the price flirts around 90 cents and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in that situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, what would you have? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture perspective, you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. So again, yes, I fully realize that if you are a day trader and you bought up there, then you think I sound crazy right now, but that's why I try to offer up the warning that I would be talking about all this from, more of a bigger picture type time frame, viewpoint of things. So sure, the price pulled back today, but when you look at multiple days, the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher low. So that'll certainly be priority number one going into tomorrow. So let's see if the bulls can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.